Every time. That's what them wanna do with fish, you know? The fish see what them wanna do afraid.
What?
Yeah, so we're up on the way to go Fisherman Beach. Anytime I'm in Mountain Bay, Jamaica, that's one of my favorite little hangout spot, you know. Where you go and see the boats coming in from the sea. Freshly caught fish. You can buy them right there on the spot. This is movie East Strip. Otherwise known as Bottom Road. You'll find all that hotel, you know. Right over there, so track record restaurant. You see in boat. The ugly people in I car with me, so I'll show their face. Yeah man, we finally arrived at Fisherman Beach now. But the road clogged up with vehicles, the people then have no patience, you know. I come at that spot here for me about 8-year-old, 9-year-old. Every Sunday morning, my brother them and my sister them come on Fisherman Beach, come get fish for your mother. Like a fisherman then look her cottage and business place there. And around here so now, you have all that action and all that excitement, you know. The boat them are coming for see people are come get them fish. But the busiest time I like on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, you know. And a whole heap of activity now go on here today. Man, them if you come with the fish, them still they are sea, you know. Mostly birds. If you look out there in our water, a whole heap of bird out there. You find a boat right there, so find a whole heap of birds. If you look there, so you find a whole heap of birds. Mostly bird there today. Man, they don't come in for sea here. Don't forget some fried fish, but they might wait on the fisherman then, you know. As me say, best time to come here like Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Yes, finally a boat coming in. Hope they have a lot of fish. At first I thought those guys was police, you know, because I see their vests, their life jacket, you know. In the distance, they look like police. So hopefully they have fish so that we can, you know, get some to fry and don't have to wait any longer. But as we approach the boat, there was no fish. They went out and coming back empty. You know, nothing at all. To get that boat out of the water, they have to tie it to a truck. Then put it on some slide, those white pipe that you're looking at, and then roll the boat on it That's the only way they could get it out of the sea. So this Friday day come to a close and we didn't get any fish. So we will be back here tomorrow morning. That is Saturday. To try our luck again. I hope tomorrow Saturday will be better. Yes, today is Saturday. And it's already looking good, you know. Here this guy scaling this beautiful bonefish. I can bet it eat good. Ah, look at that. I tell you that Saturday was going to be better. Most of those fish in those two igloo are fresh fish. Yeah, and some of them came in late Friday after we left. Yeah, that is our fish right there. They're weighing on the scale. About 10 pounds of fish. A mixture between jacks, parrots and grunt. The guy in the red shirt, I know him for a while now. He always scale fish for us whenever we come to Fisherman Beach. Reasonable, always do a good job. If you come to Fisherman Beach, look for him. He will take care of you, you know. Aren't those fish beautiful though? Yeah, man.
What nice, man.
Yeah, man.
What
Fish
nice.
them there scale up.
What
Yeah,
nice.
wait till you eat two of them still. What we're gonna eat then we throw. The guy that going to fry the fish for us. You see? Today is Saturday. Fishermen them start to come in more and more. Like every 15 minutes there's another one coming in. And I can bet they have fish, you know. So if you come in here, come on a Saturday and a Sunday. Friday is good too, but Friday is a hit and miss, you know. You might come and don't get anything. So I'll suggest come Saturday and Sunday. Here's another guy coming in again. You know. So Saturday is very busy.
Yeah, big old, them not see a long big
You
old,
want bonita?
big old much engine board.
Here's a guy cleaning up a bonita.
That's what.
It's similar
Nothing.
to tuna. It's from the same species, but it don't get big as tuna. Anybody want bonita slice? I think it is a little similar to kingfish, but kingfish is more of a mild, more eat mild, you know. Fresh lobster.
Jamaican woman, you like
coming in
Jamaican
from the
woman some
sea.
money, you know. I when I realize, you know.
We need lobster tail.
When you check him out to the year, boy, me have some, me have a little top under the pillar case or something, you know. Can't believe it.
Yeah, man. But that's some of them.
Some of them, yeah, some of them. Straight to your pot.
Here is a grouper. Good eating fish.
You know what fish we
Expensive
scale?
fish too.
Check out River Baby.
Yeah. This guy is an expert at scaling fish, man, and preparing it. You will see.
You know, boy, you know, you're a big man fries to get. You're right, right.
Every time.
See my steak up the group of them. Imagine frying that and then brown stewing it down. Put that out here with some nice scotch bonnet pepper.
So them man
You know?
that eat fish, man.
Some nice roast yellow heart breadfruit.
Fish, put them man that
Slightly start to rise. Just slightly start to rise.
Them a local man go out
Brown
and see
stew.
the one after.
So me I tell you,
So them man
man an expert with fish, man.
Grouper. This man called grouper, you know.
Yeah, man. Clean up, got him, slice him, and he's still whole. Yeah? Straight up.
Well, I wasn't expecting this still. I thought they did only
I will not make
deal
soup.
with fish at Fisherman Beach, but these guys going to make soup with this rooster right here.
Oh, this is stuff here, John. Buckets or helmet, I deal with the fish them buckets. And the water hot buckets with us. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Indian kitchen this, you know, see them breadfruit there. Our breadfruit them, the fish them when we buy, them start fry. Yeah, man. If you come to Fisherman Beach and want fry fish, check out Indian. You're not go disappointed. See my smoky fish them over fire there. Then him fry them. Oh my God, you need to taste that. Yeah, man. Link up Indian and we fix it up, you know. You know, my people, thanks for watching, you know. Thanks for spending your time watching. Even if you just watch a few seconds or watch a whole thing, you know. I'm grateful, man. And as usual, share, like, comment, and subscribe, you know, so that this channel can grow. Yeah, man, respect. Take care until we see you now again here.